concentration decrease, then you cannot continue to practice 4 elements meditation. So it is not necessary to be fear. Other than you should investigate your element, especially characteristics. When hardness is very strong, other than you should emphasize only softness. When roughness is very strong, you should emphasize only smoothness. When heaviness is very strong, then you should emphasize only lightness. Then elements will become balanced. Again, when cohesion is very strong, you should emphasize only flowing. When flowing is very strong, you should emphasize only cohesion. In the same way, when heat is very excessive, then you should emphasize only coldness. When cold is very strong, other than you should emphasize heat. In the same way, when pushing is very strong, other than you should emphasize supporting. When supporting is very strong, other than you should emphasize pushing. So there are characteristics to make balance. If you can make balance these characteristics, then there will be no much problem. It is not necessary to be fear. That fear is one type of dosa. That dosa is unwholesome dhamma. That unwholesome dhamma make your concentration decrease. So while practicing Anapana or while practicing 4 elements meditation, you must remove this fear. Today let us stop here. Next Saturday we shall continue.